How to turn IG on quiet mode. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can turn IG on quiet mode, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to put your Instagram on quiet mode, open up the Instagram application. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right to come to your profile page. Then tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. Now you'll find many options here, but because Instagram makes it so confusing by changing this layout frequently, I won't get through that. The easiest way I would recommend you is just tap the search bar from the top. In the search bar, just type in quiet mode, then you will find the quiet mode result pop up here. Now you can just tap on it, and now you can just choose to turn on quiet mode. You can schedule the start time, the end time. You can turn it on up to 12 hours. Then you can just go ahead and choose the days that you might actually want. This way you can go ahead and then basically turn on quiet mode on IG. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.